Hello, my name is Lewis. My age is 8. I from outdoor school Bangkok, and my problem is the garbage is making the water not clean. So I would like to invent a robot that refill clean water to the ocean. So I would like to do an experiment procedure. Fill 2 kilos of trash bags and same amount of water and 1 cleaning robot in tank A. Leave it for 5 days. Check if tank A is clean. If tank A is clean, means that the robot is good. If the water is dirty, means that the robot is not good. Conclusion: we'll check if tank A is clean. If it's clean, our hypothesis is correct. Thank you.